Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. Let me start with a question, very important question. The question reads, which of the following is are not the bordering countries of the Black Sea? Which of the following is or are not the bordering countries of Black Sea? Very important. The question is about Black Sea. So the countries given as Russia, Turkey, Italy. Asking that which is not the bordered country of Black Sea. To answer this question, we need to look into the map. So this map is illustrating this is Mediterranean Sea, this is Caspian Sea, this is Black Sea. So to answer this question, we have two different ways. One is that if you know the bordering countries of this Black Sea, you can answer. Or if you know the bordering countries of other seas like Mediterranean Sea or Caspian Sea, then also you can answer this question. How means the first way is that if you know that Italy is there in Mediterranean Sea, means Italy is not belongs to Black Sea, right? That's why Italy not belongs to Black Sea. Other way is that if you know the bordering countries like Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, Georgia, from this side Russia. Okay, so Russia and Turkey are the bordering countries of Black Sea. Italy is not the bordering country of Black Sea because Italy is in Mediterranean Sea. Hence, C is the correct answer because of the question asks that which is not the bordering country of Black Sea. Italy is not the bordering country of the Black Sea. That's why answer is C, that is 3 only. So this is the way we can answer the question. So by looking at this question, we can understand that how important this kind of map pointings are. In geography, map pointing plays a key role. That's why we need to be thorough with all the map pointings of the world like oceans, lakes, seas, countries, mountains, etc. If we are thorough with all the aspects of map pointing, automatically we can score more in the coming up prelims examination. That's why I came with a great initiative of Seas of the World for your UPSC Civil Services coming up prelims examination. In the world, many seas are there, but I came with important and most expected map pointings of the world seas. Okay, in this video, I came with some important seas of the world. Let's get started with the first one. The first one is the Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle is the very important one. Always it is coming in the news. So we can see the picture. The Bermuda Triangle is near to the Caribbean Sea or Caribbean Islands. It is also near to that Florida. It is in Atlantic Ocean. And what is the importance of Bermuda Triangle means? The important thing is that this is also called as Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Alley. It is a loosely defined region in the western part of North Atlantic Ocean. This one, right? A number of aircraft, ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Whenever aircraft or ships are passing through this area, they are going to be disappeared. Why? That is still, it's a mystery. Scientists are not getting what is happening there. So that's why this Bermuda Triangle is very, very important. We can expect a question in the prelims examination. By looking at this map, you can understand this is South America, this is North America. Actually, this is the Bermuda Triangle. It is located in the Atlantic Ocean. It is near to the Caribbean Islands. So this information is relevant to the exam perspective. Let's move on to the second one, Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea is also in the news many times. So that's why I chosen this Caspian Sea as the second one. What are the bordering countries are there to this Caspian Sea? Russia is there from this side. Kazakhstan is there from this side. Turkmenistan is there from this side. Iran is there from this side. Azerbaijan is there from this side. So these are the 5 countries are there as bordering countries of Caspian Sea. So very important, we need to understand Caspian Sea is one of the important sea as many times coming in the news. We can expect a question in the... Let's move on to the third one, that is Red Sea. So very, very important. Red Sea is bordered with 6 countries, namely Saudi Arabia and Yemen. To the east, Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Western shore, Egypt is there, Sudan is there, Eritrea is there, Djibouti is there. Egypt, Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti. So these are the 6 countries are bordered to Red Sea. Let's look at what are the countries are bordered with this Mediterranean Sea. 21 countries are there as borders to this Mediterranean Sea. Look at this. Spain is there, Morocco is there, Tunisia is there, Algeria is there, Libya is there, Egypt, Lebanon, Israel, Turkey, Greece, Croatia, Italy, France. These many countries you can see here. Look at this. Algeria, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Cyprus, Egypt, France, Greece, Israel, Italy, Lebanon, Libya, Malta, Monaco, Montenegro, Morocco, Slovenia. These are 21 countries bordered to this Mediterranean Sea. But in this map we cannot see some of the smallest countries. I will show that also. In this map you can see Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Albania, and you can see Malta also. Malta is one of the small island in that Mediterranean Sea. We can see here another like Monaco. Monaco is another country which is smallest one. Here Malta is there, Italy is there, Croatia is there, Tunisia is there. So these all are the countries which are bordered with Mediterranean Sea. Definitely we can expect a question from this Mediterranean Sea because it covers 21 countries as borders. So you may confuse in 21 countries. That's why the question may rise from this topic. So that's why I chosen this Mediterranean Sea. Here another country also you can see from this, that is Cyprus. Cyprus is in the Mediterranean Sea like island. Let's move on to the 5th one, that is Black Sea. Again Black Sea is very important. At the starting we see in the question which of the following countries are not bordered with the Black Sea. So that's why I came with this Black Sea, very important. Ukraine, Russia from this side, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 countries are bordered with Black Sea. Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania are the 6 bordered countries with Black Sea. So this Black Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, these are famous seas and many times came in the news. That's why we can expect a question in the coming up prelims examination. Let's see this question. Which of the following is not a Baltic state? Which of the following is not a Baltic state? What is Baltic state actually? What is Baltic state? If you look at this map, this is Russia, Finland, Poland, Belarus. So in between this you can see Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. These 3 countries are called as Baltic states. So many times in the news, so Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, these 3 countries are Baltic states. So that's why I choose on this question. Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. These 3 are the Baltic states. Poland is not the Baltic state. So the question asks that which of the following is not a Baltic state. So Poland is not a Baltic state. Okay. So that's why I choose on this topic Baltic Sea. So very important. In the Baltic Sea, so Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania Baltic states are there. So that's why I came with this Baltic Sea. So it is bordered with different countries. I given here different names. These are the bordering countries of Baltic Sea. Denmark. Where is Denmark? This is Denmark. Sweden. This is Sweden. Finland. Russia. Russia from this side. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. These 3 are Baltic states. These are Baltic states. Poland and Germany. These are the bordering states or bordering countries of Baltic Sea. Very important, we can expect a question from this Baltic Sea. Next is Sea of Japan. So Japan, North Korea, South Korea, this area is many times came in the news. So that's why I chosen this Sea of Japan as very important sea. We can expect a question from this area also. So the Sea of Japan is bounded by Russian mainland. So from this side Russia is there as the border, and Korean peninsula like North Korea and South Korea is there, and this side Japan is there. So these are the bordering or borders to the Sea of Japan. The Gulf of Mexico is also many times in the news. Okay, you can see in the map where it is. It is near to the United States. This is Gulf. Okay, it is near to the Mexico. So it is actually bordered by United States from this side, Mexico from this side, and the island nation of Cuba. This is Cuba, you know that. And the world's largest gulf. This is the world's largest gulf. So Gulf of Mexico is the world's largest gulf. So what is meant by gulf? It is a deep inlet of the sea almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. So it is a deep inlet of the sea. That is called as gulf. Next one is Gulf of Alaska. This is also near to the America or US. So many times in the news, that's why I chosen this. So actually it is bordered with USA and Canada only. This is USA, this is Canada, and this is USA. Only two countries are bordered with this. So Gulf of Alaska is also important. Many times in the news, we can expect a question. Chukchi Sea is also very important. Why? Because look at the map and understand. This is Canada, United States. Okay, this side Russia is there, Russia. So this is in the Arctic Ocean actually. So this side is America and this side is Russia. So here it is. So that's why this is many times in the news, Chukchi Sea. Chukchi Sea is rather small southern extension of the Arctic Ocean. Okay, the sea is bordered in the west of Russia's Wrangel Island and the east Siberian Sea. In the east by Alaska and Beaufort Sea, and in the south it ends on the degree of the Bering Strait. So this is very important. This side Russia is there, this side US is there. So here it is in Arctic Ocean. So Chukchi Sea we can expect compulsory in the examination. And finally I came with this map. Why I came with this map means this area is playing a key role in the map pointing. Look at this. Here you can see Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Egypt, Libya, Turkey, Israel, Bulgaria, Greece, Italy, Uzbekistan. So these many countries you can see. But important thing is that I am showing here 5 different seas. One is Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Red Sea, Persian Gulf. If you are thorough with all the boundaries of these seas, you can expect compulsory one question in the coming up prelims examination. Look at this: Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Persian Gulf. So there is no chance to escape from this topic in the examination. Definitely you will get a question from this area as a map pointing in the coming up prelims examination.